Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you a VG2456V, which combines the best of our VG class business monitor features with the best video conferencing features that we have on monitors. That means a built-in camera and also a microphone and speaker array that helps you have very clear communication when doing video conferencing applications. So let's get it open and see what you get in the box. Because this is one of our VG products, we do design the box to be very easy to open and to get into and to get set up. In fact, we try to make it so that you can get from closed to fully set up in about 30 seconds on one of these monitors. Now, why do you need to set up a monitor so quickly? It has to do with the deployment of really big deployments of these monitors. It's usually the job of the IT people to go around to each station and to set up their monitors, get everything cabled up, and do it as fast as possible. And so the faster we make it for the buyer and the assembler to open up the box and get things assembled, that is the better we're able to serve that customer, because time is money and they need to get them set up as fast as possible. So opening up the bottom here, we've got the bottom of our stand. We're going to set that off to the side. We have the upright for the stand. This is a full ergonomic stand that goes up and down and it tilts and it pivots. And actually, we're going to go ahead and assemble our stand right now. Easy if you flip it over, line up the prongs, and then there is a thumb screw on the bottom. You don't need to use any tools for this. Finger tight is perfectly okay. And this is our fully assembled stand. We're just going to put that to the side for now. Next up, we have our cables. We have power cable, HDMI cable, a USB uplink cable. This is basically to power the USB ports that are on the monitor. You want to have a cable running dedicated to your computer if you're using, say, DisplayPort or HDMI. However, if you're using USB-C, which is what we recommend, you just need the USB-C cable. You don't need the other USB cable because this will provide the uplink that you need for your monitor. So everything you need is done by this one cable, and so that's the one we're going to use. All the packaging that we use in the VG products is recycled. Boxes, we try not to use styrofoam pack because, again, in a large deployment, a lot of styrofoam pack can actually be an issue for the person setting up the monitors. It takes up a lot of space, it creates a big mess. They don't want to use it, so we use cardboard pack instead on these monitors. Okay. In order to get the monitor assembled, we just need to put the stand into the back of the monitor head, click it into place, and then pull the whole monitor out. Okay, now that you can see the monitor itself, we can talk a little bit about it. So this one here is a 24-inch monitor. It is an IPS monitor, and it has a full HD resolution. So that's 1920 by 1080 resolution, and that is the main resolution that we run on our 24 inches just in general. The coolest feature of this, however, is, if I uncover it here, is the built-in camera on top. So this camera is actually spring-loaded, and it comes up and it brings with it two lights and the camera lens, which is a 2-megapixel camera. So great for security. Maybe you don't want anyone spying on you, or you're concerned that somebody can get control of your webcam. You can always just push it right back in and no issues. It's been calibrated so that you can push it in even without pushing the monitor up and down on the stand. And it is a full ergonomic stand, so it allows for adjustment up and down, and also allows you to rotate the monitor 90 degrees if you want to use it in portrait mode. You can even use the camera in this mode as well if you want to have a different view on your camera. In terms of some other features on this monitor, let's talk a little bit on connectivity. So it does have an HDMI and a DisplayPort, so two digital ports should be able to connect to any computers you have, or a USB-C. And the USB-C on this one is actually pretty special because it's got 90 watts of power delivery. So 90 watts of power delivery means that just about any laptop you connect via USB-C can be powered by this monitor. 90 watts of power, nice and charging up your laptop while you're connecting to this thing, all with one cable. In addition, this is what we call a docking monitor, so you connect that USB-C, and then the USB ports on the monitor activate, including the one here on the side. So you got a nice convenient side USB. You can use that for a keyboard or a mouse, or even both if you combine them. And also a headphone jack that's very easy to get to. Again, we want this to be nice for video conferencing, so maybe you want to put on a set of headphones. You can do that very easily from this side-mounted port. And last but not least, again, because it is a docking monitor, it also has an RJ45 1 gigabit Ethernet port. So that 1 gigabit Ethernet means that you can get the terrestrial internet run to this monitor, and then over that USB-C cable, it'll send that connection to your computer, and you get that full gigabit speed to your computer while charging your laptop, while doing the display with the monitor. So we're doing a tremendous number of things over USB-C on this monitor. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the VG2456V video conferencing monitor. Please watch this space for more exciting videos from ViewSonic.